little fish floating by, flies flying everywhere, getting licked up by the fish. Fast stream, clouds shaped like a dream, dogs and cats in the sky, chasing butterflies by. Butter bread, clouds rolling by my bed, flowers underneath my feet, moss under my head. Then I'm looking up the stream, I'm coming out of my dream. I can't believe what I see, but baby hit it right for me. Baby, 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 did someone upstream lose you? Do the wolves want you back? Are you part of the pack? Hang on to that pine needle raft, 'cause I'm gonna help you get back. You look so contented, staring up at the trees and the clouds. I almost wonder if I should really stop you. You seem like you got a purpose for floating downstream. I'm trying to hold you and you're just squirming, jabber talking and kicking your legs all over the place. Who are you, little baby? Where'd you come from? What's that secret you won't tell? Little wiggly worm, little squiggly squirm, you're a mystery to me. I guess I'll have to wait and see. Butter bread, what was that you just said about the planet of the apes? Is this your great escape? Baby, 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 did someone upstream lose you? Are you part of the pack? Or do the wolves want you back? Hang on to that pine needle raft, 'cause I'm gonna get you on back. Hang on to that pine needle raft, 'cause I'm gonna help you get back. Little fish floating by. Little fish, little fish floating by. Little fish, little fish, little fish, little fish, little fish, little fish.